This is a poem about leaving care. This is written by me and other fellow people that are currently or are leaving care. And this is generally how I feel about being in care and talking about stereotypes. Glamorized care. Life is you get judged quite a bit. I wanted attention, but I got depression. If you feel like you're not fine, it's okay, you can just call Childline. Have a hot bath, have a hot cup of tea. But can you see that does not actually help me? My mental health is chronic, but I think I'm pretty iconic. Care might not be the place you want to be, but when you're 18, you are free, to a certain extent. Tracy Beaker is on TV, but that is not reality. This is something that you do not glamorize. This is our everyday life. Some social workers are really not that fun, but at least we know they actually get the job done. Understanding is what we need. We don't ask for much. We really don't plead. And we are not weak. We have a future we want to see. Thank you.